Welcome back to the Cannabis Sommelier. I'm your host, Andrew Freedman. Thanks for joining me for another episode of Cannabis Edible Reviews. Today, I have a long-awaited product, a highly requested product. It's one of the beverages. It's the beverage with the highest amount of allowed THC in it on market. What is it? It's Deep Space. Deep Space. Deep Space is coming to us from Tweed. They basically put absolutely no information about it on their website, which kind of sucks, seeing as they have a whole deepspace.com for it. But what I can tell you is it's a nano-emulsified product. They put a mysterious and intriguing flavor into it. We're going to deduce what that flavor might be. And this is equal to 3.2 grams of cannabis. So the 222 ml can is lighter, so we do know that that equivalency rating is the weight of the actual edible product, which is kind of ridiculous. So as I mentioned, this is a Tweed product. June 5th is when it was packaged. And in our ingredients, we have carbonated water, sugar, citric acid, distilled cannabis, TM blend. Distilled cannabis is now trademarked, I guess. Vegetable glycerin, cannabis distillate, monoglycoside, soy lecithin, sucrose maltosine, potassium citrate, caramel color, calcium, disodia, EDTA, natural flavors, contains soy and sulfites. So I do think it's interesting that they think they have a proprietary method of infusion and that they've trademarked it, because I know there was some discrepancies with Tweed and their beverages coming to market and the lining of the cans actually eating the cannabinoids inside and leaving the beverage actually without any cannabis in it at all. I got 21 grams of sugar in this little tiny 222 can, so that's about as much as a Red Bull. 4 milligrams of sodium, 250 milligrams of potassium. So this is really like a soda pop. This is a soda pop flavor. This is not the water. This is not the houseplant sparkling beverage. This one's gonna taste like pop. As I mentioned, 10 milligrams THC. Adolescents are bigger risk of cannabis. This cannabis-infused beverage. That's about all I know. I think we should open up. I think we should taste it. Tweed, hope you're coming with some heat. Deep Space. This could be the shotgun it too. I could imagine shotgunning this. So we have our child seal. You can see here the duty seal is still good. We'll break the duty seal for the first time. This doesn't come off unless you're a child who can stick your finger in here and pull. Then you'll be able to get in. So I don't know. That one doesn't seem as hard as some of the other ones. And here we go. Let's get the crack in. Ooh. So let's smell it out of the can. Ugh. That smells god-awful. Oh, man. It smells like cherry medicine, flat cola, Jägermeister. Ugh. Oh god. Ugh. It tastes like cherry medicine and Jäger. It's one of the most piss poor beverages I've ever put in my mouth in my entire life. Holy fuck, that's disgusting. Ugh. Oh man, I don't know who on earth would have an acquired taste for this. It's very reminiscent of the original Thai Red Bull in the bottles, except more bitter and more sugary. Oh. You'll notice too that the effervescence, like, it's not very bubbly at all. It's not foaming like a soda would. So it's like that moment of like flat pop, like you've opened the 2 liter for 2 days. Oh man. Ugh, who in their right mind approved this product is so far beyond my imagination. That smells disgusting. Ew. Like, I'm only gonna take one more sip just for this video, basically chucking $6 out the window purchasing this Deep Space. You can already know what my review is gonna be because we are only on the taste and the smell. Oh, it is so sickeningly sweet. It reminds me of the worst cherry cough syrup and Jägermeister. Ugh, it smells so gross. Oh my god, I gotta stop smelling it. It's sickly, sweet, disgusting, medicinal. I don't even want to take this other sip. I'm doing this for you. Ah. Oh, the bubble really isn't there. It finishes so bitter. Medicine and then sugar. There's nothing on my palate but awful, awful medicine flavor. Oh, it's so bitter. Oh my god. Oh, holy. I feel like in life we very rarely get things that taste this absolutely god awful. Constellation, didn't you buy into Canopy? Didn't you make a huge investment into this whole beverage market? How on earth did this come out? And I hope this video goes to everybody at the facility. Anybody who has any... There's nobody on earth that will think this tastes good. This is gross. Deep Space, this was the most epic fail I've seen yet. I don't know, Tweed, you constantly disappoint me. It's great that I get to come back to your products hoping that they're gonna be good and then just get let down so hard. I can tell you now I won't be bringing these back into my store. So nasty. Wouldn't want anybody to have this experience. Straight up 0 out of 10. Don't buy Deep Space. This is nasty. You're gonna be upset with every sip, and those 10 milligrams, even though it's the maximum allowed limit, probably not gonna get you where you wanna go. Nasty, nasty, nasty. I can have all of one sip of it. It's the most disgusting thing I've put in my mouth in the last decade. Blah. Ugh, so gross. I guess, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know below. Make sure you send this video to somebody so that they don't waste their money on Deep Space, because that was nasty. Until next time, cheers.
What's my name? What's my name? The Cannabis Sommelier.